Everybody, I moved over to this new one I've never played, Phoenix Bowl. I took the 35 cents that the Great King left us, put another 20 in there, and we're going to start out with the 1 cent denom. Minimum here is 75 cents, so let's see if we can conquer 1 cent. Come on, let's conquer you, man. Come on, 1 cent. Be happy. Be happy for us. There's a lot of good numbers there, man. Mini is what? I mean, $10? Yep. Okay. Phoenix Bowl, man. Come on. Come on, right there. Hit that drum. Hit that. Hit it. All right. Okay. $6. Is that a conquer? Now we're going to conquer with some kind of bonus. Come on, we know we got it in you. Oh. Man, getting down to our last here. Come on, give us something. That's it. They caught us. All right, we didn't do any conquering here, so let's go find another one. Thank you, guys. Hello, everybody. Came here because somebody said this is ready to pop, so I'm going to try to break it. Put $20 in there, and I'm going to start out with a minimum of 88 cents. Let's see what happens. I'm here at Durant, Oklahoma. The Shop Talk Casino and Resorts. Start this up. Alright, here we go. Alright, 180. Wow, one more right here, I would have got it. Man.
I had a lot of food on it. It could have given it to me, but it didn't.
There it is again. $2. Rarely shipped, you had to get in the way. Oh, ships got in the way. But they gave us $1.50. Probably the last of it. Man. That's it. Yeah, let me go find another winning machine. I couldn't pop this one. Hello everybody. I'm here at Durant, Oklahoma at the Choctaw Casino and Resorts, and stopped off at this Firecracker. I put $20 in there. I'm gonna be betting the minimum on these to see if I can conquer 1, 2, 5, and 10 for just the minimum bets. Here we go. 88 cents is the minimum here. Hope everybody's doing good. Oh, many. Come on. These are hard to win on, I'm telling you. But we're going to try to conquer it on minimum bets. Come on, Firecracker. That's it, guys. I'll tell you, this is hard to conquer. Let me go find another winning machine. Thank you.